Hadith 1128. Zayd ibn Thabit, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Prophet ﷺ said, O people, perform your salah in your homes, because the best salah of a man is the one he performs at home, except the obligatory salah. Al-Bukhari and Muslim.
Right, so this hadith encompasses all types of sunnah, except for the faridah. Okay, so sallu for the buyutikum. Pray at your house. For the best of the prayer of the person is in his house, except for the obligatory. So this is prompting the person to pray your sunnah, ikhwani, at your house. Why? You're far away from Riyadh. When you pray your sunnah, you're praying at your own. And some people, subhanAllah, when you pray at home, they are supersonic, Ferrari, mashallah. When they come to the masjid, because people are looking at them, they slow down. That's hypocrisy. Okay, it's hypocrisy. I'm not saying as well to do the opposite. Mashallah, you pray at the house beautifully, and now you come to the masjid, oh, people are running, looking at me, let me not show off. Then you pray supersonic. It's not correct as well. You pray that you pray, which is with calmness. And you're praying with Allah Azza wa Jalla, looking at you, and you're looking at Allah. If you don't see Him, Allah sees you. That's the ihsan. Type. So this way the sunnah is better because you are far off from praying for riyah and all of that.